Hi guys, I'm Cynthia Vera from CynthiaVeraBakes.com, and today I'm going to be making beautiful frosting dresses for your favorite Disney princesses. I will be making the cupcake dresses for Princess Tiana, Belle, Moana, Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Ariel. You can find a link for the vanilla cupcake recipe in the upper right corner of the video or down in the description below. I'll also link the cupcake toppers in the description. As always, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming cake decoration videos. Alright, let's get decorating! So I filled up my cupcake papers with vanilla batter. I filled the cupcake tins almost to the top so the cupcakes will come out with a nice dome shape. Then I started coloring my buttercream frosting using edible food gel. I colored my buttercream pink for Rapunzel's gown, lemon yellow with a hint of orange for Princess Belle's gown, light blue for Cinderella's gown, green for Princess Tiana's gown, light red for Moana's gown, and a combination of green and blue color to achieve Ariel's teal-colored gown. I covered the cupcakes with buttercream and transferred the buttercream in piping bags. For Tiana's gown, I used this Russian piping tip for an interesting layered gown. Then I sprinkled it with light green and gold sugar crystal and added the Princess Tiana cutout on top. For Belle, I am using another piping tip with a straight line and arrow at the end. These piping tips are so easy to use, especially to create ruffles like this. I generously piped a few layers of the ruffles and added the Belle cutout on top and a few gold edible pearls to dress her gown up. For Moana, I used a Wilton piping tip 48 to create her gown. Then I added a few golden stars around her gown and some gold sugar crystals to resemble some starfish and sand. For Cinderella, I used a Wilton petal tip to create the waves of her gown. Then I added some sugar crystals and some edible pearls around her waist and all over her gown. For Rapunzel's gown, I used this Russian piping tip with a hook at the end to create her ruffle dress. Then I sprinkled purple edible pearls before adding the Rapunzel cutout on top. Then finally, for Ariel's gown, I'm using a star tip and created a wave that goes up to her gown. I added gold edible pearls and sprinkled teal-colored sugar crystals for some texture. So that's it for my beautiful and fun Disney princess cupcakes. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a thumbs up if you do. Then I'll do my best to create more Disney princess themed cupcakes and cakes. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. See you next time!